Thanks for joining this Hitch trailer tutorial. This is the MC10 Aluma all aluminum motorcycle trailer. 2,000 pound rubber torsion axle, no brakes, easy lube hubs. 175 80R13s, aluminum wheels, aluminum fenders, extruded aluminum floor, 4 tie-down loops, aluminum ramp, aluminum salt shield, swivel tongue jack, 2-foot motorcycle bracket, LED lighting package, and a 2-inch coupler. Log on to 918trailers.com to see all our inventory, or call us at 918-286-7900 with any questions. Hitch has been serving Tulsa as our superior trailer sales and service since 2011. Thank you for joining our tutorial.